Have you ever tried an olive oil that can be used raw to boost the flavour of food and give it personality? In Les Garrigues near Lleida, in western Catalonia, there is one that does exactly that. When heat is applied, its density increases, meaning not as much of it is needed when cooking compared to other oils. As far back as the classical era, the Greeks and Romans knew about the antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, anti-aging and bad cholesterol-reducing properties, amongst many others, of olive oil, which is also an essential ingredient for your health when it comes to choosing what you eat. Catalonia has been a land of olive oil for over 2,000 years, and Les Garrigues is just one of the places where it is produced, in the heart of a landscape that has remained unaltered during the passage of centuries. Are you bold enough to try it? At the following websites, you can discover more authentic flavours and products of Catalonia and the people who made them.